Hey everyone, how are you? Thank you for stopping by today. Today is a review on this pan, this beautiful blue, supposed to be 12 cup baking pan. Now, if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey! So, thank you for being with me today. I want to tell you that I'm a little bit disappointed. I ordered this cake pan yesterday on Amazon. It came today, of course. I'm so excited. Amazon is the best. I am a Prime member. I have a request to do a lemon pound cake, and it needs to be in a deeper pound BUNDT pan. This is my regular Wilson's BUNDT pan. It's the 9.5 inches across, and it holds about 10 cups of cake mix. That means when I put the cake in, it fills up and it ends up about right here, and it has time to rise, right? It's a good cake pan. This is my Nordic. I don't like this one the best, but it is, it does get the work done when you need it. You just have to put like 2 or 3 coatings of Baker's Joy in this pan in order for your cake to come out beautiful and not to stick. So I bought it. It costed more than the other one, but I prefer Wilson. But anyway, I had to use this one, and it's the same size as the other one. The cake does come out pretty when it works. So, because this particular cake requires me to have a 12 cup deep pan, I bought this one on Amazon. I mean, it says 12 cups, right? This one is the ceramic nonstick technology. It's by a company called CaSaWare. And so as soon as I took it out, I immediately noticed that it looks almost the same size as the ones I already have. So that brought down my bubble a little bit. And so I decided to, let's just do a little demonstration here. Here is 12 cups of water. And I just wanted to, let's take this down just a little bit. 12 cups of water, and I wanted to demonstrate that this is not what I was expecting. So this is an 8 cup measuring cup, and this is a 4 cup measuring cup. So I'm just going to stand up because I don't want to make a mess. And I'm going to measure out. Of course, you can see 8 plus 4 is 12. And I'm going to pour. Okay, look at that. Let me make sure that I'm looking at this right so you guys can see. I don't know if you could see it, but this is 8 cups. I'm dripping water on my floor. 8 cups. Yet, look. Hold on, let me get this up. I'm back. I spilled some water on the table and it went on the floor as well. So anyway, I don't want to make this long. Guys, I'm not even able to put the other 4 cups in. So this is not actually a 12 cup pan, 12 cup BUNDT pan. And I'm very disappointed about that. It only holds 8 cups. So that is my quick review on the CaSaWare 12 cup baking BUNDT pan. You can look it up online on Amazon. I'm going to I don't really want to return it. It's so pretty. But it costed $17 plus some change, and taxes made it $19.03. So I'm gonna have to get the Nordic one because that's the one that's highly rated, that always come up when you put in your search. Nordic pans come up, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get the Nordic 12 cup BUNDT pan, and I'll just put that review on as well once I get it. Hopefully it comes tomorrow because I'm gonna have to order it today. At Bed Bath & Beyond, it was $32, and on Amazon, it's way less. I forgot the price. I think it's like $24 on Amazon. So I'd rather go with the one that that's a little bit cheaper. Anyway, have a great day. And my next review, on my next video, is going to be on my experience at the 305 restaurant. So I'll be uploading that today. I hope you enjoy it. It's a lot of noise in the background, but it was a fun experience. I love lobster. It was all you can eat lobster on a Wednesday night. Costed $50 per person, but it was well worth it. So if you ever go down to Sunny Owl, or just be in Florida and you can make it down to Sunny Owl, to Kitchen 305, it's worth all you can eat. It's worth the price. Again, like I said, it's in Florida. So that'll be my next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.